Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your blog, your post page, whatever you want to call it. Now I showed you this option before, but what I want you to do is go to Customize, Appearance, and then Customize. And I want you to go down here to Static Front Page. And I just want to make sure that you have this option clicked if you didn't see it in the video before. So this is how you set up your blog. You have to specify which one's going to be the home page. So we have a static page. If you're going to have, for instance, like a news page or a home page that constantly changes, you can actually make that where kind of like your blog, your front page, so you do your latest post. Okay, but if you want to actually have a front page and then a separate blog page, you just select the page from here. So home, and then post page will be your blog. That's what we named it before. I just want to make sure that you have that selected, and then from there, what I want you to do is to go to Appearance, and then I want you to go to Theme Options. Scroll down here to Blog, click that, and this is going to give you all the options for your blog, and this is going to be universal, meaning it's going to show up on every single page. If you want to do individual options, you'll be able to do that when you do a individual post. At the bottom of any individual post in the edit page, you'll be able to select certain options for the page. But let me just show you really quick what my blog looks like here on Simple Content Creation. So you can see that, the blog up here. This is the individual pages right there. And actually, you might want to come to the blog, take a look at some of these articles. They might be useful to you. But this is how we have it set up. And let me click on here so you can take a look at one of the posts. Alright, so this is one of my posts. It has some of the related posts right there, comments box, pretty simple. And all those options right are going to be what you find right here. So page title bar, you actually, if you do select that, you'll see a title bar up here. I kind of don't like it. I think it's kind of messy, and if you're going to have a heading anyways, it just becomes redundant. So choose that option if you like it. My blog layout is actually medium alternate, and that was what this is, the medium alternate, and I like the look of that. So play around with those options, see what kind of layout that you like the best. If you want to have pages of blogs, go ahead and select this, or if you just want to load more, or infinite scroll, where you'll just scroll, it'll just infinitely scroll through all your different posts as you scroll down. That's what that option means. And again, if you want to excerpt, so I just have it, I think mine's set at 50. This is actually for this current theme right now. But that would be how long this excerpt is right there. And then a featured image, that would be this right here. That's the featured image. All right, and then you can just set up the formatting of the date and time if you want to set that. Blog single post. Again, these are all universal options, so any post that you post in the future, it'll select these options on or off. And so if you don't want like the author box or the pagination, anything like that, you can select all those options right here. Or if you just want to completely turn off comments completely on your blog, you can turn it off right here. You don't have to do it individually. And of course the blog, the meta, a lot of this I turn off. I really don't like seeing all that. In the meta, I don't even think I have it here on my blog. Nope, I have it all turned off. And so all of those options are right there. Okay, so if you're going to actually post to your blog, now that we have all that set up, all you'll do is you'll go to Post, and then you'll go Add New. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you'll notice, the Post page is a lot like the Pages page when you're setting up a page. And so we're going to use the Fusion slider. Click on that. And it's going to make it really simple for us. So it's the same thing as Pages. You just create a title of your post, and then you just start building it from here. Okay, And so you can start with the containers. They actually have some pre-built pages if you want to do it that way. And you just start adding elements to it as you go along. Right here, this is what I was talking about, that if you want to control each page individually with certain things, you can actually, there's a lot of the options right here. And so whether it's show all the related posts, which again, a related post would be this option right there. I kind of like that. So if somebody reads your article, they can go to another one really easily. And so you can change this individually for each one, turn it on and off. And you have a lot of the different options over here, turning on your footer, your header, things like that. So very customizable. Over here, where you set your featured image, okay, that would be, this right here is the featured image for this post. And that's going to show up right there. And that's basically, you just click on here. You'll go to your media library. You just select something, or you can actually upload it. And then you just hit set featured image down here in the bottom right. And that's it. That's all you have to do there. Tags, if you want to make it a little bit more organized, start adding some tags that will describe the article. So if somebody does a search on your page, they can find it more quickly. If you want to set up different categories, that also is going to make it a little bit easier to find things. Okay. Once you do that, if you're not ready, you can do save draft. Okay. Do not hit publish until you're ready to publish. And when you are, just go ahead and hit that button, and then you can preview it at any time. So if you make some changes, you just go up here, preview, you see what it looks like, and just make changes as you go along. And that's about it as far as doing your blog goes. As soon as you hit publish, it'll automatically show up on whatever page that you specified as being your blog page, just like I had for mine. So there's the blog. So when I published this, it automatically showed up here, and people could find it right from there. Okay. So if you have any questions, as always, let me know. But that's how you set up your blog.